The Digital Strategy 2.0 is a vision of what we want New Zealand to be and to achieve and how we are going to get there using digital technologies. The impact of technology is most clearly seen when it becomes integrated into everyday practices and enables previously difficult tasks to be completed with ease. Digital technologies are revolutionising life in heartland New Zealand. Getting information to the people who need it faster and smarter means better decisions, better connections, better quality of life and better quality of water.
Last year in 2007 the government passed new legislation for drinking water. It's brought us in line with the other OECD countries. So basically the legislation says that water suppliers have to take all practicable steps to meet the drinking water standards based on the World Health Organization values. The standards also indicate how many samples a water supplier needs to take of each parameter to demonstrate the water is safe. So the Ministry of Health, with help of ESR, has developed an information system for managing all of that information called WINS 5, or Water in New Zealand 5. The water supplier uses the WINS system to load their results their sample results into the WINS system that they have on their computer, and they send those results through to the drinking water assessor. About 2,500 water supplies are listed on the New Zealand Register of Drinking Water Supplies. 2,000 or so are small water supplies, often owned by communities, and can apply to the Ministry of Health for capital funding to improve and upgrade their water supply. One of the important steps that we've taken with WINS 6 ahead of WINS 5 is to manage the information online. The WINS 6 program is essential to us and an enormously helpful tool for processing the applications and managing the funding to those communities. The next step, which is happening over the next 2 years, is the WINS 5 system. It's being combined into WINS 6, so it will all be internet based. So this is an enormous step and a very much more efficient and effective way to do things.
We operate 3 major water treatment sources, 16 significant pumping stations, and we fill about 60 reservoirs all around the city. Over the last 20 years or so, we've really highly automated it. The 3 main things that do change on us are the weather, the time of year, the water chemistry, and although most of the equipment we run is very reliable, we have a lot of it, so there's a steady trickle of equipment faults and breakdowns that we have to attend to. So the automation system really is a big alarm system. It just sits there looking for problems, and when it finds something that it can't handle, it will send a text message to the operator on duty, who will most of the time be at home. In the old days, poor old operator then had to drop whatever he was doing and drive 10 or 15 or 20 minutes off to the plant to find out what the issue was. With the remote access, the guy has the setup on his kitchen table or in his bedroom, and he dials into the plant and he can see not just the fault that was texted to him, but he can see the context of the fault, what else is going on in the plant, and he can see the trend plots which give him the history of what led up to the fault. From an operational point of view, it's the crucial thing that remote access has given us. It's an enormous productivity tool in that respect.